guys, this is Laire. Welcome back to my channel, and in this video I will be getting ready for the new year 2021. So if you want to get ready with me, then keep on watching. Okay, so whenever I do my makeup, the first thing I do is I would wear my contact lenses. So everyone can actually agree with me that 2020 is one crazy year. It's been crazy for everyone. Alright, so I'm wearing this slate gray contact lens from EO. I've been an EO girl since I was like 18. After that, I'm still using the Centillion 24 Bandicam cream. For 2021, I think I would be trying more new skincare products. So, yeah. And to brighten my eyes, I'm gonna use this Garnier. Already noisy outside. So, what happened my 2020? I went back to Singapore this January. That was my first time traveling alone. I went there for work, and it's a new experience for me because I've been traveling with friends and family, ever. And that was my first time to be traveling alone. So like, I get to go where I want to go. I get to spend more time with myself. I get to eat what I want to eat, and it's liberating. I think that's the term I'm looking for. It's quite liberating, and it was just a happy experience for me. So I'm still using the Superstay. It's still my #1 foundation, and this 2021 I will try to find a new go-to foundation. This year, right before my flight to Singapore, the Philippines experienced the first blow of 2020. Taal went active again. So it's the first time that I experienced ashfall. Hopefully the people there were able to adjust now, like recover from that incident. February, I think the only highlight is for the first time in my life, I had a date on Valentine's Day. It was awesome. He was cute. Yeah, and then March came. Everyone knew what happened in March, the lockdown. I'm a nurse, so I'm a healthcare worker, and I was a frontliner during the first wave of the COVID-19. It was really difficult going to and from work because there's no public transportation. So sometimes I needed to sleep in the hospital. Yeah, like I've been there for like 7 straight days, and after that, the first time to experience like a whole 2 weeks or a whole week or 2 weeks of quarantine. The first few rounds of quarantine, it wasn't really easy. There was also a time that I need to be isolated in a hotel room provided by my work, and it's hard that you're alone, but it's harder because my everyday food is a problem. I was scared, to be honest. It was really like life-changing for me. April, so let's go to April. It's the first time that I was assigned like to take care of COVID patients, and the first time that I wore like the personal protective equipment. It was really hot inside there, and it was difficult to work. On top of that, I was wearing this really heavy, suffocating, hot personal protective equipment. I don't know how to explain it further. I mean, the minute you went into the area, you wearing that PPE, already sweating, and then imagine attending to a code like where you need to compress, and then more sweat comes, and then it's just like endorsement period. I was sweaty the whole shift, and I think more than the stress, you're there 8 hours a day and you try to find a spot in the hospital where there's good ventilation, because again, there's no good ventilation in that area of the hospital. It's hot, cold, yeah, a recipe for like flu or the cold. So after that, then you go to the quarantine facility, and then you just cry your eyes out. Like being isolated for a week and then working again with COVID patient, and then being isolated again for a week, it was really difficult. I'm just so lucky that I was working with awesome people, cause I don't know how I was able to cope with that stress. Okay, so that's that. I just put like brown in my eyes. That's April. May, it's my birthday. It's the first time that I wasn't able to celebrate properly, yeah, due to the pandemic. I cut my hair short this year. I can't maintain my long hair because of, again, the PPEs. I bought my Huawei this May because I was preparing for another round of quarantine, so I needed my own laptop. It's my first time to have my own laptop, and June, July, I can't remember a lot of things. That's where I was struggling with work, and I finally decided to take a step. Like I need to take time off, so I decided to quit my job, and been at home for like 3 months. Okay, I will be adding my, yeah, this is my Tarte highlighting palette, like shimmering palette. So yeah, just to add some glitter there. So yeah, I quit my work. I've been at home for like at least 3 months, and then I discovered the work from home scene. I just want to thank Zeke, my like cover buddy, for introducing the work from home scene. I was happy that I was able to shift from like a physical nursing job to a virtual healthcare job, and it was really convenient. It's also a new experience for me because you wake up and you're there. Don't need to go outside for work. Something that I am still adjusting to is the time difference, because I'm working with a US company, so I need to be up when they're up. So, and that's what like 10, 11 in the evening to 7 or 8 in the morning. So yeah, my sleeping schedule is crazy, but I mean, it's okay if I will be able to be at the comfort of my own home. If you're curious about my new job, you could leave a comment so that I can make a new video about it. And yeah, I'm just so thankful that for everything that had happened in this year, we were able to cope as an individual and as a family, as a community. And I'm so sad to be losing a lot of people like near and dear to my heart this 2020. It's just so sad that the year took a lot of lives, and I just want the next year to be better. I use my Wet n Wild highlighter. Yeah, that's my 2020, guys. So since I had a lot of time during quarantine, I decided to like pursue YouTube. Yeah, that's also something that I've been wanting like for the past 10 years. If you didn't know, I discovered YouTube like very early, like 10 years ago, and I really have this passion for video creating. I was too busy with my work. I didn't have a lot of time making videos for YouTube. And again, since I had like 7 to 14 days of quarantine, like I have nothing else to do, I don't really think of this as a career. I just want I just wanted my life to be documented more efficiently, and I just wanted to share with you guys. YouTube was really accepting, was really warm, and I'm so happy that I'm gaining a lot of followers. Not a lot, a lot for me. Haven't reached the 1,000 subscriber mark yet, but I have this goal, and hopefully that I can achieve it before my 25th birthday, and hopefully you guys could help me reach that goal. I just want 1,000 subscribers, and that's it. People from sessionslive.com approached me and asked me to be one of their artists, and then I said okay. For now, I think this is my eye makeup for now. I'll be putting false eyelashes off cam, and I will see you in a bit. So another thing new this 2020 is it's the first time that didn't inuman because you would like buy your own drinks, but you would be with them in spirit. I hate the fact that I can't be with my friends, but safety first. Safety is a priority for everyone. I had discovered baking. Yes, I tried to bake and cook. You know, I get to do a lot of things that I wanted to do like since forever. I've been baking a lot of banana cakes and cheesecakes, favorite things. That's why I gained a lot of weight. There's no shame in like gaining weight this quarantine because everyone is struggling, and honestly that's not healthy, but if that's the thing that can keep me from being insane, then why not, right? I've been exercising at home, and I think I turned my room into like a room/gym. Another thing that I realized this year is that you are loved. I think our mind has its way of telling us that we are not, but in reality we are. You are alive today. You are with your friends and family. You have Christ. I think that my faith grew better, like grew stronger with the struggles I faced this 2020. It's always been nice being able to know that there's someone out there who's taking care of you, and that you matter, and that you are loved. I'm very blessed with my family and friends that are still there until now, that did not leave me during the struggling times. To all the people who were part of my 2020, thank you very much for making my life beautiful. I hope that you're still here by 2021, and I have a lot of plans for my 2021. I'm so excited to share it with you. So yeah, I think my makeup is done. I will be doing my hair off cam, and I will be giving you my final look. Hi, so everyone, I just curled my hair and I just wore this like green, I know I'm not supposed to do that. I'm just wearing this green like long sleeve to greet the new year. I just want to thank everyone who's been part of my 2020. Hope to see you in 2021. Merry Christmas guys, and Happy New Year. Bye!